This is the JRE Show, and today we got another awesome drone. This one is kind of a tongue twister, but this is the Inguity HD camera drone. This is by Ingenuity. This thing comes with its own built-in camera and has a flying range up to 300 feet, and this thing flies just awesome. I really like the color. It is just a simple, kind of a flat black. It doesn't have any markings on it, and I think it looks really cool. In the front here we have some blue LED lights. In the back we have these blue LED lights, and they also flash red. And that's how you would tell the difference between the front and the back, is by the front being blue and the back being blue and red. Other than that, you're going to have to rely on your flying skills. Almost everything comes in the package with this, and you're ready to fly, except you'll need 4 AA batteries for the transmitter. But this does have a 7.4 volt battery, 380 milliamps, which will give you about 8 to 9 minutes of fly time. They also include a 4 GB SD card and an SD card reader, and they also have the charger to charge this guy. It will take about 45 minutes. This thing is capable of doing flips. It has 2 different rates. It has a low and a high. The low being kind of geared down for beginners, and the high gives you a little bit more ability to move around and pull off some more extreme flying. Real quick, let's have a look at the transmitter. This is a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. It does take 4 AA batteries that are not included, so you'll have to pick some of those up. But we have the accelerator. Whoops. And we have the ride controller there. We have the trim, and down there at the bottom you can see the screen. We have those there. Now this one actually does the camera. It takes pictures and both video. For video, you'd push this down, and to stop video, you push it down again. To take a picture, push it upwards. That's all you have to do for a picture. Now real quick, I just want to let you know that when you are doing video, so let's say I'm push this down, there'll be a little red recording light in there, and when you turn it off, the red recording light will go away. Now it's important, let's say if you're out flying and maybe you're pretty far away and this starts to die, stop your video, because if this quadcopter does die, you're going to lose your footage. And I've caught a lot of footage. This isn't the only quadcopter that does that, but what it does is it just stops in midair, and the footage is not saved. It will come up as a 0 file, so just keep that in mind. Over here we have the other trims, and then on top we have a trigger on the left and the right. The one on the left will actually go through the 2 different modes. We have low, and you'll see a little L down there on the transmitter. We can switch that to high, switch between the rates, and then we have a 3D flip button trigger over here. We just push that one time, and then we'll push this, the right stick, whatever way we want it to flip. And you can see it'll beep till it flips, and boom. So, once again, I'm really digging the design of this thing. If you look at the contours, how it kind of arcs in the front for maybe wind dynamics or anything, but this thing just cuts through the air really good. And I'm just going to show you me flying it now. So, that is the Inguity HD camera drone, and that's that. Thanks for watching.
Bye.